We're on number 3. We're going into tram number 3.
The gateway arch stands as a monument to Thomas Jefferson and the Louisiana Purchase. In 1935, President Roosevelt signed a bill to create a monument on the St. Louis Riverside to commemorate the city's role in westward expansion. In 1947, the Association for the Project held a design competition, and the winner was Aaron Sarin, a Finnish architect. On February 12, 1963, construction of the arch began. On October 28 of 1965, it was completed. It cost a total of $13 million to build the arch. The original name of the park was the Jefferson National Expansion Memorial. In 2018, the name was changed to the Gateway Arch National Park, making it the 60th national park in the country. The arch stands 630 feet tall and 630 feet wide, or 192 meters. It is made of 142 stainless steel sections, with concrete going up to the 300 feet mark to add support. Today, the arch stands as a symbol of St. Louis. It also stands as a symbol of the innovation during the 1960s. During the next few minutes, let's take a glimpse of what else was happening during the construction of the arch.
Or 3.
Or 3.
Okay, so when they clear out, you guys can stand by number 3 to the right of the railing, please.
Okay.
Excuse me?
No. They want us to stay to the right of the railing. Gentlemen.
Oh, you said that you were gentlemen.
You want me to say, hey dudes?
Dudes, get the f*** out.
That's why I call the man at work dudes. They just smile when I do it too.
So, tram number 3. Dryer tumbler number 3.
So it's a 5-foot diameter. It's seating remotely. You will be sitting in the cars.
Okay.
Listen to little kids.
Right now.
Welcome everyone. Please exit your cars and make your way towards me. Exit, make your way to me. Once you reach me, you're heading around to your left down the front door through the far staircase to the exit. Thank you all for coming in.
Looks like an alien pod. So you don't have to dunk.
A little bit.
So I don't have to do this number. Oh, your lens cap. Close comfort. We're in the tram number 3.
Alright everyone, once you're inside, please make sure alarm places are belongs to clear the tram car doors. Doors will be closing again, doors are closing.
Stay
Thank you all for
clear.
sitting, enjoy your ride and your time at the top.
Stay clear of the doors. And then they say it in Spanish.
You see the stairs?
Yeah. They used to let people walk the stairs. yeah, feel how it pivots back and forth like that. Hey, maintenance crew. Now we're probably almost going straight up. Emergency exit.
2, 3.
Yeah, they used to, like I said, I don't know if when they stopped doing it, but they used to let people walk the stairs.
I was gonna say, stairs are pretty well gone now.
Oh, they're still
Nope, they're there.
Yeah, they are. They're still out there. You're at the top. There's a countdown on the stairs. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25.
CSI episode. Howdy. They go up alive, they come down. How did anybody get in here? How'd they do it?
We're stuck.
Welcome up to the top of the Gateway Arch. Please exit your tram door. You'll make a left-hand turn as you walk out, and then a left-hand turn up the stairs. Once again, welcome up to the very top of the Gateway Arch, 630 feet here.
Well, it's okay. I'm glad he did that. You told him it was in the mailbox.
Like a picture of your butt.
The dream. What part of Minnesota? I grew up in Newport. Oh, really?
The steps are not even. At the top.
Everybody. You're welcome. Alrighty, for those headed back down, just make sure hands, feet, and personal belongings are inside. Tram doors are now closing. Thanks for visiting
We're at the top of the arch. St. Louis, Missouri, Gateway Arch. This is the Illinois side looking east. Mississippi River directly below us.
Yeah. Anything on this side, you said? The receiver rib? Everything you said?
Oh, that's what we came in. See the fire? That's what we came in.
Yeah, we came in right here. That right there, we can bring it to we had one of them buildings right there in Rockwood. Is that the one? Remember you looked at the exactly what it is. I remember
Now, almost the thing goes in the circle. Where it was in Raleigh, where the snakes was, the big snake and the
Oh
little
yeah,
snake.
across from that, what's the museum that was called?
The Museum of Life and Science.
Museum of Life and Science, yeah, with George and Penelope.
Yeah.
Yep.
Where the church was.
Yeah, that was his girlfriend.
They used
George
to
and Penelope. That snake was like longer than his thing.
I hope they was in Snake. They had
No, that was in that big old swamp.
kids was putting hands on the carpet.
Oh, that was triple.
Yeah.
Oh, this where I thought about staying King's Casino. But I'm glad I didn't.
That was the Illinois side.
Right. Now you home.
Here's the Missouri side. St. Louis, Missouri.
You gotta spread. They gotta be pretty deep if they have a boat sitting there. Oh, it's dirty. Oh, that's a helipad. What you think we doing? People out there. To where? Oh yeah, over the city probably. Oh yeah, look at the helipad. Think you feel pretty safe over here? You was just scared.
She trying to do it, Sarah.
Think, look.
So you were wrong.
What's that?
I could have used my bigger lens.
Oh, yeah.
Look at our car. See our car right there? Remember?
Yep, you could have.
Yeah, you see it? It's like one,
If I had my bigger lens, I could get right in that stadium.
Sure.
You see the football stadium right there?
There's nothing going on in there, though.
That big old building right there? Yeah, that's the football stadium. That's the baseball stadium. That's where the wires and woods.
So this parkway right there, you can get from here as far out.
It's a dome. It's just
Looks like a couple of
concrete
miles
building.
on grass. It's very much a
You see the basketball on the football.
pedestrian walkway, almost like a Central Park. Yeah, not nearly as big though. But we came in where that circular thing is right below us. That's where we came in at. There's the uprights at the arch.
Got about 2 minutes left up here. Got about 2 minutes till we start boarding. And take, look at this.
That's where the arch legs. You can actually just see the arch legs if you can stretch all the way out.
You see the boat?
And then that water, that green space goes all the way down there. I don't know how far it goes, but it goes all the way down there for a mile or two, looks like.
Oh yeah, helicopter, yeah. They're taking helicopter tours from there. So they see the whole city on the helicopter. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, man, it was fun, right? You made it.
You like it? Pretty cool.
You made it, though. You did good.
You got the top of the arch, baby. That's what you do in life. You keep going up, up, up.
Then you get the other.
Turn this around. See. At the top.
And I'm gonna throw him off. We're just up now.
Right there. See the highest? No, we right there on that line. Nah, we great.
We're up here in 3-hour shifts.
One more shot. Looking west.
Yellow paint as best as possible. Let's try and keep the other side of the staircase clear as the next guest walks up.
Alien pod.
Mark for Mark.
Mort. Guess we didn't need the sweaters after all.
I'm still kind of cold.
Are ya?
For those headed back down, please make sure hands, feet, and personal belongings
your hands inside the cart,
doors
dumbass.
are closing. Thanks everyone for visiting Arch. Enjoy the rest of your
Do
weekend.
not ruin my vacation being stupid.
But honey,
No buts.
we're going down.
We're falling.
Gravity. See, we could use the stairs going down. Take longer. Spiral stairways too. They're spiral. We're falling. Controlled descent.
My ears just popped.
Okay. We're still falling. Rocking back and forth. Rocking back and forth. And end of the show. We just went through a tumbler dryer.